Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Google search history on iPhone. If you want to delete your Google search history on an iPhone, so here's the quickest way. So if you use the Google app, so open the Google app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, at the top below your email, tap search history. Then in here, so you can scroll down and you should see your search history. You can delete individual searches by tapping the X button next to them, just like so. Next method, you can also tap delete button right here. So you can choose delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. If you want to delete all time, click on it. Confirm you would like to delete the following activities, click delete.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support, and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching, and let's continue.
And that's it. So keep in mind that clearing your browser history does not delete your Google account search history. And deleting your Google search history does not clear your browser's history. So you may need to do both if you want to remove all traces of your searches. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.